Welcome to UpSkillify. Today, we're diving into practical ways to save money. With rising costs, finding smart ways to save can help you reach your financial goals faster. Here are 5 creative and effective ways to keep more money in your pocket. Let's jump right in. Our first tip is to create a budget and stick to it. Planning your spending makes a huge difference and reveals where you can save. Budgeting helps you identify spending patterns and keeps your financial goals in sight, making it easier to cut back where it matters. Tip 2. Automate your bill payments to avoid late fees. Setting up automatic payments helps reduce stress and ensures all your bills are handled on time. Automating bills saves time, reduces stress, and helps you avoid costly fees, which adds up in the long run. Our third tip is to cook at home instead of ordering out. Preparing meals at home costs far less, and you can make extra for leftovers. Cooking at home saves money and allows you to eat healthier while controlling portion sizes. Tip 4. Use cashback and discount apps. Some apps reward you for everyday purchases, allowing you to save money without changing your spending habits. Cashback and discount apps give you extra savings on things you already buy, helping you accumulate money back over time. Our final tip is DIY gift ideas. Instead of buying expensive gifts, try creating something thoughtful at home. Personal touches often mean more and cost less. Homemade gifts can be both meaningful and budget-friendly, allowing you to show you care without overspending. Thanks for watching. Those were 5 smart ways to save money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to UpSkillify for more quick tips on growing your finances. Share your favorite money-saving tips in the comments.